In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace on Slack. By the end, you'll have a brand new space set up for your team, with invitations sent and everything ready to go. I'll walk you through each screen you'll see so you know exactly what to click and why. Start by opening Slack's Get Started page in your browser. When you arrive at the sign-in flow, look for the option labeled Other Options. This reveals additional ways to sign in. Choose the Google option to continue. If you use Google at work, this is the fastest route and keeps your workspace tied to the right account. You'll be prompted to pick your Google account and then continue. Review the consent screen, confirm it's the account you want to use for this workspace, and proceed. This simply lets Slack see your basic profile and email, so it can create your workspace under that identity. When you complete this step, Slack will bring you back to its onboarding flow. Next, select Create a new workspace. You'll see a simple form with a highlighted field where Slack asks what your team is working on or what you want to call your space. Click into that field and type a clear, memorable name. Short names are easier to find and fit nicely in the Slack sidebar, so keep it concise and recognizable. When you're happy with the name, continue to the next screen. You'll now set up your personal details for the workspace. Click into the name field to confirm or edit how you want your name to appear to teammates. If you'd like, you can add a profile photo here as well. This step is optional, but a photo makes it easier for teammates to identify you in channels and DMs. Once that looks good, click Next. Now it's time to bring people in. Click into the email field where Slack gives an example format. Type one or more teammate email addresses separated by commas. When you're ready, select the option to invite them. Slack will send invites right away so they can join. If you prefer sharing a link, choose Copy Invite Link and paste it into a message or calendar invite. If you're not ready to add anyone yet, you can skip this step and invite people later from the workspace settings. After you've invited teammates or decided to skip, move forward by clicking Next. You'll be offered plan options. Choose Start with the limited free version. This gives you a full-featured workspace with a message history and file storage cap, which is perfect for testing or small teams getting started. You can upgrade at any time without losing your setup, so there's no pressure to decide right now. Slack may show a couple of quick onboarding prompts. Click Next to proceed through them. Continue with the next prompt again to confirm your setup choices. Finally, click Get Started. Slack will finish creating your workspace and take you directly into it. At this point, your workspace exists, your profile is set, and your teammates have been invited if you chose to send those invites. You're ready to post your first message, create channels, or continue refining details like your workspace icon and notification preferences. If you copied the invite link earlier, keep it handy for anyone who requests access later. That's the entire process, end to end. Sign in with Google through other options, create a new workspace, name it, set your profile, invite teammates, or copy the link, choose the free plan, and then walk through the final next and get started prompts. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, organized Slack workspace ready for productive collaboration in just a few minutes.